Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A96 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it. And now release. So you can see now the volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So now select the language. So you can see it will send you in recovery. So here go to white data and confirm. So here you can see white data, retain context messages and photos and format data. Okay, now go to format data. So guys, you can see please enter verification code 2778. Okay, now enter it 2778. So guys, you can see format data, all user data will be reset. So now tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So guys, you can see wiped successfully. Okay, now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is a method to hard reset OPPO A96 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.